Hey Nick, what's up? How you doing?
I'm really good. How have you been, Esteban?
I've been great. Thanks for asking. I wanted to get straight into this because since I know you're the head of the Achieving the Promise Academy, I was on the website earlier today and I was reading on embedded coaches and coaching for course success. So my first question is, how do I register for that?
Yeah, I'm so glad you're thinking about proactively registering for a class with a coach. So, here at MC, in some of the historically harder to pass courses in disciplines like biology, chemistry, math, English, you can register for a class with an embedded academic coach. If you go to the scheduled classes and you check the advanced search option, you can check a box that says ATPA support. And that's going to tell you for that semester all the sections that come with an embedded academic coach. Now, that coach is not the person who's teaching your class. You have a professor in that class, but the embedded academic coach is going to support students in that particular course in order to help you to be able to succeed in that class.
Okay, so how does an embedded coach actually help the student?
Yeah, so depending on the course, they're going to do different things that are going to help you to be able to succeed. But overall, embedded academic coaches are content experts who've taught that class before, but have also been trained in academic coaching approaches. So they're going to help you to keep up with the course goals and deadlines, hone new study skills, use academic planning tools like a calendar to help you manage your time better in the course. They can help you prepare for exams. They can help you work on different assignments. And if you start to feel like you're falling behind in the class or you need some additional help keeping on track, they're going to help you adapt, figure out what's working, what's not working, maybe connect with other resources like a tutor or to reach out to get some support in the course so that you can stay on track to succeed.
How would I meet with them? You said they're embedded into classes. Now, how do I meet with them if I'm
Yeah,
in the class?
what does embedded even mean, right?
Yeah.
What does that word mean? Yeah, so the coach comes with the class and
Okay.
they're going to start off the semester by introducing themselves to you. If you're in person, they're going to stop by during the first week of class, explain what academic coaching is and what kind of support they offer in that particular course. If you're in the virtual environment, they're going to stop by your Zoom meeting. And then they usually have a weekly coaching session that you can go to. And so, again, it depends on the class, what you're going to do in those coaching sessions, but it's a weekly opportunity for you to meet with the coach outside of class, or sometimes they come to your class to help you work on what you need to learn in the class and how to learn it better. The other thing that a coach is going to do is to reach out weekly and give you tips and reminders of how to keep up with the course deadlines, what's coming up next week, ways to make the most of MC resources. So you definitely want to read those weekly coach updates as well. So there's a couple of different ways that embedded academic coach is going to be proactively reaching out, and then you can come to their coaching sessions to get that benefit of meeting with an embedded coach too.
Okay, so I personally struggle with my virtual classes. So even if I'm in a virtual class, they'll still be available to help me.
Yeah, I'd love to talk with you more about that, why you find virtual classes to be a bit more of a challenge for you. But you're not alone. That is something we hear a lot. I actually think that I learn a little bit better in person myself. The good news is that many courses that are virtual have embedded academic coaches. So again, search in the class schedule for ATPA support classes, and even the ones that are remote have coaches. And typically those coaches are going to offer coaching sessions virtually each week, or sometimes coaching by appointment. And so we do offer flexibility there, but you can absolutely meet virtually with a coach when you're taking a virtual class.
And let's say I do meet with that coach virtually. Will I be meeting with that same coach each semester?
Oh, that's a great question. Yeah. So the Achieving the Promise Academy overall, we offer a couple of different types of academic coaching. So embedded academic coaching, because they're those content experts, they're just in that class, right? This is someone who's taught biology before, who's taught English before. So they're going to work with you in that English class. You can take a different course the next semester. So if you just took chemistry, you loved having an embedded academic coach, and now you're getting ready to take a biology course, you can take a biology course with a different coach who is embedded and a content expert in biology. But if you're really looking more for consistent support across the semesters, you can request a personal academic coach, and they can be your coach until you graduate or transfer. And they're really going to help you focus more on how to succeed in college overall. So we offer both options, and we'd encourage all students to take advantage of both options.
Thank you so much, Nick. That actually cleared up all my questions I had for you. I look forward to working with the coach this semester. And again,
Excellent.
Thank you for helping me out.
Yeah, it's always good to catch up with you, Esteban.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe for more programs like this from MCTV.